Hello everyone. So as the question says, why is the solubility of magnesium chloride much greater than that of magnesium fluoride? This is very important question for class 11th. So the question for this question you need to understand first of all what do you understand by the term bond length. Now what is bond length? Understand it carefully. Bond length means the distance between the nuclei of two atoms. Now these are two atoms A and B, and the distance between their nuclei is the bond length. So this is the bond length. Now if I'll talk about, kindly understand, there is one atom magnesium and there is another atom fluorine. The distance between them is smaller, and the distance between magnesium and chlorine is larger. So you can easily observe, more the distance, the bond can be easily broken. So which bond can be easily broken? The magnesium and chlorine bond. So magnesium chlorine can be easily broken. So magnesium chloride can be easily broken. More bond length, means less bond enthalpy. Enthalpy means the energy required to break the bond. So lesser the bond enthalpy, more is solubility. So this is just a simple concept for this question. So if they'll ask, why is the solubility of magnesium chloride much greater than magnesium fluoride? Because chlorine is of greater radius than fluorine, so the bond length is also more in the case of magnesium chloride, and therefore more the bond length, less energy is required to break it, and when it can be easily broken, it can be easily dissolved.